Now is not the time to lower the bar on our children's health. School lunch programs have faced large amounts of backlash since the implementation of the Healthy Hunger-Free Kids Act of 2010. This created new guidelines set forth by the USDA that required schools to provide more fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. It set a limit for salt, sugar, fat, and calories. Some have argued that unintended consequences are worsening the school lunch programs. Some examples would be an increase in price, food waste, and a decrease in participation. Some of that evidence is true. School lunch programs have had a slight increase in price, but there has been a number of studies showing a decrease in food waste. On top of this, more children have been observed as choosing healthier items. So I believe that these new guidelines are working and that they're necessary, but should be supplemented with other strategies to make fruits, vegetables, and whole grains more appealing to the students. We need to spend more time focusing on the reasons for why that students don't want to eat healthy items. Is it because of the cafeteria setting? Do they have enough time to eat? How is the food being presented to them? And are they even being educated about nutrition and the benefits of healthy eating? So now that we require students to put these items on their tray, it's time to encourage them and to get them excited about actually eating them. We can't introduce healthy food items in an unfamiliar setting and expect the children to immediately fall in love with the new foods. We have to make it more fun and more approachable. So as a country, we tend to stigmatize vegetables as being gross and boring, but then they see countless numbers of commercials advertising for candies and processed foods, and it seems super fun and exciting for them. And yes, the major issue of that is that these food companies they have the ability to create good advertisements. And I'm advocating that we try and push that same excitement for fruits and vegetables as well. And this can start at school. We can saturate the cafeteria and the hallways with fun posters and infographics that the children can understand. And we can create themed lunches a couple times a month. That way we can get the students and the staff and the faculty more involved in the lunch process. Most importantly though, we should maintain a good nutrition education throughout this process. So what if we printed the My Plate poster on all of our trays? The students could walk down the line and pick up an apple and put it in the fruit section. They can get some green beans and put it in the vegetable section. They would then be getting a hands-on experience with these guidelines. So we must bring together more funding in a variety of professionals, including teachers, nutritionists, and government officials, to come up with a supplemental material that will support nutrition education as well as the new school lunch program in those guidelines.